Starting with some breaking news that's coming in, a TMC MP has resigned from the Rajya Sabha. Jawahar Sarkar has vacated his MP post, citing the RG car horror behind the resignation. Sarkar has said will stand against tyranny. Sarkar is seeking justice for Devi. Crossing over to my colleague Adrija to bring us more on this. Adrija, take us through the reasons and the statements made in the letter that he's written to the Chief Minister.
Well, you see, Jawahar Sarkar, the MP, the Rajya Sabha MP of the Trinamool Congress, have written a detailed letter in which he has cited several reasons, including corruption within the party and also the entire Arjikor incident that had taken place, the heinous crime of a young woman doctor who was raped and murdered 1 month ago on 9th of August. He has cited that as well, and he have mentioned the name of Mamata Banerjee, the top leadership of the party, saying that he expected more action to be taken by Mamata Banerjee, which she have not done, and therefore, also citing several corruption allegations within the party, citing the Partho Chatterjee case, the SSC recruitment scam that had taken place. All of these reasons together, he have mentioned that he will be resigning from his post as a Rajya Sabha MP of the TMC, and as well as will be quitting from politics altogether. So all of these reasons together, Jawahar Sarkar now writes a letter to Mamata Banerjee mentioning all of these grievances that he had, and have also said that he had in the past, for raising such concerns, been heckled.
All right,
by the
Adrija,
top
just stay with us. We're actually going to be cutting across to Kunal Ghosh, who's making a statement at this point.
আপনি ঠিক যে সময় দাঁড়িয়ে আপনি জওহর সরকারকে প্রশংসা করছেন, কার্যত তিনি একজন দেশের সেরা অন্যতম আইএএস ছিলেন, তিনি আপনি বলছেন আপনার দলের এক নেতা দেবাংশু ভট্টাচার্য তিনি কচুরিপানার সঙ্গে তুলনা করছেন এই জওহর সরকারকে।
দেখুন, একটা বিষয় হচ্ছে, আমি অন্য কারোর পোস্টে কোনো মন্তব্য করব না। আমার বক্তব্য, জওহর সরকার কৃতি মানুষ বলেই তো আমরা তাকে রাজ্যসভায় পাঠিয়েছিলাম। তিনি দেশের অন্যতম শীর্ষ শ্রেষ্ঠ আমলা বলেই তো আমরা, এবং বাঙালি আমলাদের মধ্যে জওহর সরকার একজন গর্ব, তো আমরা তো সেই জন্যই পাঠিয়েছিলাম। এইবার কোনো একটা কারণে তিনি একটা সিদ্ধান্ত নিয়েছেন, তার কারণটা একটা ভুল বোঝাবুঝির বৃত্ত, একটা কুৎসিত ঘটনা, সেটাকে কেন্দ্র করে একটা নানা ধরনের অস্থির পরিস্থিতি হয়েছে। তো আমরা যারা দলের সৈনিক, আমরা দলের মধ্যে থেকে মমতাদির নেতৃত্বে, অভিষেকের সেনাপতিত্বে আমরা চাইছি,
we who are a soldier of the party are within the party and fighting while being within the party and working towards a justice that should be given to the victim's family. We all are fighting while staying within the party and taking steps. If Jawahar Sarkar, if he has decided that he will be stepping down, then that is his decision.
জওহর সরকারের মডেলটা ফলো করতে পারেন, যে আমি যখন ছাড়তেই চাই, তাহলে আমি সবটা ছেড়ে আমি
criticizing in a similar manner, then they can follow the model of Jawahar Sarkar.
বন্দ্যোপাধ্যায়ের প্রতি তার ব্যক্তিগত যে শ্রদ্ধা, যে সম্পর্ক, সেটা কোথাও তিনি
What I feel from the letter, that the personal relationship that he had with Mamata Banerjee, somewhere maybe that has been harmed.
ইস্যুভিত্তিক জায়গায় তার কোথাও একটা এসে মনে হয়েছে তিনি এই জায়গাটা ছাড়বেন, এটা তার সিদ্ধান্ত। তার যে উদ্বেগ, তার যে চিন্তা,
from somewhere he has felt that he should step down, and then therefore this is his own personal decision.
কিন্তু এই
citing a similar incident, we all are facing, we all think that justice should be given. We all condemn the incident that had taken place in a similar manner.
কিছু কড়া স্টেপ নিক, ভিজিবল পজিটিভ স্টেপস নিক, মানে এখন শুধু মিটিং বা মিছিল করে মানুষকে বোঝানোর চেষ্টা করলে সবাই যে বুঝবেন ব্যাপারটা, সেটা নয়।
All right, we are crossing over to Priyanka Tibrewal of the BJP, who joins us at this point. Priyanka, when we're talking about what's taking place within the TMC in connection with the RG Car horror, one big development has come in. That is that MP Jawahar Sircar has tendered his resignation. He's seeking justice for the victim. What's your first reaction?
See, this is no surprise coming. All of us have seen that the way TMC's image has been tarnished, and it's not just tarnished because they are responsible for the same. They have supported criminals, they have supported goons, and that's the reason people are vehemently opposing their stand on the issue. See, this particular issue, we have seen the kind of support the principal and the hospital have got from the government. So normal people, ordinary residents who have this kind of sympathy and empathy with people who are being targeted or with people who are facing this brunt of this government, they will definitely stand for their rights. That's the reason nobody wants to be associated with this kind of a party who had promised for a change, rather have deteriorated the condition of West Bengal.
I'm curious, what do you think about what Sircar is really saying in his letter to the Chief Minister? Because one thing he's also said after tendering his resignation is that he's going to be standing against tyranny. What do you think this means for the TMC and the leadership, of course, when we talk about Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee?
Mamata Banerjee is not somebody different from TMC, right? She is the leader of the party, and she knows that whatever is happening, she cannot blame only the party people or the other people in position who are doing it. She is responsible. See, when something good happens to the party, if you are ready to take the fame, then you should be ready to take the bad name also. Because nobody will believe that so much wrong is happening in West Bengal and Mamata Banerjee wasn't aware of it.
Do you think other leaders are also going to follow suit and resign from the TMC, considering the response that has been given to the entire matter of the horrific rape and horror?
See, anybody, for that matter, whoever is having sympathy and empathy for the people of Bengal and who are not corrupt and who wants that, justice should be met, should definitely resign from TMC. Because TMC party has now come up only as a corrupted party. There's a Trinamool corruption which is going all over Bengal, and any decent person would not like to be a part of this kind of a racket and scandal.
Now, out of curiosity, when it comes to the BJP's actions in West Bengal, let's talk about the protests, because today itself, we're going to be seeing more protests take place. The Reclaim the Night protests, the third aspect of that is going to be taking place today. Is the BJP going to be taking part in these protests? Will they continue with their stance?
I'll again tell you that it is not about any political party being part of the protest or not. It is we, the people who are part of political parties.
Of course, but as a political party, you still have to have a stance on what's taking place, correct?
Definitely from the very day one, because as opposition in West Bengal, we have always stood with what is correct. We have always raised our voice against injustice. And here also, we will raise voice, we were raising voice, and we will continue doing that until justice is met.
So we'll continue to see BJP protests then. All right, Mr. Tibrewal, thank you so much for joining us and speaking to us about this big development within the TMC. Remember, when it comes to the TMC MP Jawahar Sircar, who has resigned, one big statement that he's made is that he will stand against tyranny. He's against what's been taking place in connection with the investigation into the RG Car horrific rape and murder. Now, we've just been able to speak to a representative of the BJP, again saying that the BJP will continue to stand for justice and will continue their protests alongside that. Now, one other thing that the BJP is also saying is that they also continue to criticize TMC for the handling of this entire case. Now, we'll continue to track the developments here. Right now, though, we'll be shifting focus very slightly. The heinous crime that took place in Kolkata's RG Car College continues to haunt the nation. Now, today, we're looking at the aspects because of the protests, because the women are set to hold the third edition of the Reclaim the Night protests across West Bengal. Now, from musicians to artists to actors, thousands of people are expected to join the protest that will begin tonight, seeking justice for the rape and brutal murder of the postgraduate trainee doctor on August 9th. Now, the protests will be held to mark 1 month of the crime that sparked widespread protests across the country. And the protest also seeks the West Bengal governor's intervention amid the ongoing investigations.